Hey guys, it's Kiara from myleadgensecret. Today, we're going to continue on our Clickbank studies for My Lead Gen Secrets. As you can see, I did get a sale yesterday, 12.11 there. Small sale, but every sale counts, every dollar counts. But anyway, that's good and everything and all that. And but we're going to continue on here. We're going to go to the marketplace. We'll go back to the product that we're promoting here, social paid, get paid Facebook and all that stuff. They changed how Clickbank look and it confused me a bit there. I'm sorry about that. Okay, this is it here. Yeah, it's a little confusing, but I got it. So this is the affiliate page, by the way, guys. You click on this. Boom. Okay. So what you want to do, you want to go to email and get one of those emails, okay? So and one of these work pretty well. I personally like email 1 and 2, but and one of these emails should work pretty well. We're just gonna promote this one here. Good job, tech YouTube. After that, I'm gonna go on My Lead Gen Secrets. If you don't know about My Lead Gen Secrets, it's all about mailing people who you constantly get leads every single day. Like you get 100 leads every single day until you get a sale, and then you get bonus leads once you get a sale in My Lead Gen Secrets. It turns into 200 leads every single day. So we're gonna go to mailing system here. Hit this button. Boom, boom, boom. This is something I want to try too after this. And there you go, guys. Job. Right. Alright, so we go here, delete this. We hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does is send an email around the time people check their emails. So it's a better chance of them opening it. Go here, we go here. Then we just grab this. It's gonna look a little weird, I think. I have to. You're gonna leave it like it is, right? Your first name fits, blah blah. Question. I think I'm gonna just do that. Bold that. Oh. Alright, so we're just gonna pick social paid. Every time I pick social paid, I tend to get 60. Right. Boom. Pretty good. I like it. Do we're gonna get the landing page for this. link for it, right? Go here to job landing page. What the thing says the job landing page is that YouTuber. Honestly, you just copy this and put my affiliate name on. We need to test it as well and make sure it works. This is what we're gonna do. Hit reporting. I'm gonna hit today at 24, right? Right there. Yeah. Refresh. Should say 25. It does. Okay, it works. Alright guys, we got our link ready. I just hit. Let's lowercase this. Just to make it congruent with all my other tabs. Anyway, there we go guys. Boom. Make this bold. Hit the preview, make sure the link works. Like it works. Okay. We're good. Alright, so we're just gonna send it like that. Send an email. Boom. That's it guys, and that's all there is to it. Very simple, very easy to do. And you just do this to how many accounts you got. I got 3 accounts, so we're gonna go to the next account here. I'll log in on this one. Go to the next account here. Sorry about that. Mailing system. Boom. Basically copy paste at this point. Very easy. Control A, Control V. Same thing here. That. Change the link. Second account. 2 here. Very simple to do, guys. It's simple, it's easy. And you just make money. Alright, so. And you log out of this account. And then you go to the next account. Depending on how many accounts you got. Most people tend to have around about 2 at least. But most people get only 1 account. So they ain't making a ton of money, but you want to get at least 2, so you can get a lot of leads. I'm assuming it's social paid. Well, so we stick to that for the most part. So we get the link here. Boom. Then we get here. We change this from 1 to 3. We are done, guys. That's it. Now all the links are in the description for My Lead Gen Secrets for Clickbank. Very easy to set up. Also, I have a link for what I think is a better system than mailing to Clickbank, which is Saving Highway Global. I have a link for that as well, which when you The difference between this and saving highway glow is that when you get a sale, you get recurring income every single month. That's about all there is to it, guys. Yeah, so that's that, and we are going. Oh, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, for your boy. Let me get into the algorithm real good, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.